Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create logo reveal editing on VN Video Editor for your intro. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and I'm going to choose video based since we want to edit a video. And I'm just going to click on save, and I'm going to add background from the stock on VN. I'm just going to select this blank background or this transparent background, and then I'm going to click on next to import this background to my project. Okay, and I'm going to change the ratio. You can choose the ratio according to the type of the video you want to create, and for example I'm going to create a video for YouTube, so I'm just going to choose this one, this ratio 16:9. All right, and I'm going to extend the duration. I'm going to make it for example 10 seconds. Okay, and I'm going to delete the ending. Alright, and now it's time to add our logo to this project. So we can go to the PIP, select photos or video, and I'm going to add this logo. And wait, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and I'm going to extend the duration of the logo according to the background duration. Okay, and I'm going to add mask. We can click on the logo and then go to the mask menu or mask option and select this mirror mask. Okay, and I'm going to rotate the mask like this. I'm going to make it smaller, and I'm going to adjust the blur effect of the mask like this, and we're going to add keyframe to add like animation. We can click on the keyframe and then you can animate this mask like this. You can animate it slowly, and I'm going to move it back here. Okay, for the animation, it's according to you guys. You can make it as creative as you can. Okay, and at the end of this animation, I'm going to reveal the logo. And let's see how it looks. I'm going to play it. Okay, like this. I know it's not perfect, but that's okay because this is just for an example. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create logo reveal editing on VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.